Reports suggest that the phone may incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in certain places while choosing the Exynos 2500 in others. Samsung is anticipated to release the Galaxy S25 in the first few months of next year with considerable redesigns expected. Rumors suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might have a very powerful GPU, even though both chips are expected to bring significant performance gains. According to a report by the digital chat station Credible Source, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip boasts an incredibly powerful GPU that promises improved graphics capabilities. This chip is reportedly capable of running General Sin Impact at its native 1080 resolution. To put this in context, Gen Sin Impact is one of the most graphics-intensive smartphone games. At the moment, the game usually runs at 720p by default, and even with that resolution, many phones struggle to maintain 60 frames per second when using the highest visual settings. According to rumors, Qualcomm has advanced the development of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which is expected to arrive on October 1, 2024. The chip will reportedly use TSMC's 3M process and include Qualcomm's own Oryon CPU core. For RN Windows laptops, the Snapdragon X Elite chip already has these CPU cores installed. Expectations are high for outstanding performance from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 as well, as Qualcomm has previously shown off the capabilities of the Snapdragon X Elite. However, questions remain about the device's battery economy. Some rumors suggest that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could not have the same power efficiency as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Along with the anticipated improvements in design and performance, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 will introduce upgraded camera sensors. The Xiaomi 14 is expected to be the pioneer device featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, possibly making its debut around mid-October 2024. Additionally, certain variants of the Galaxy S25 are speculated to incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with an expected announcement slated for early January 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.